At number 3, we have Bresnik. Now, this is a strange one because visually it's quite nice. I like the style of it, and when it cuts to those little drawings of the characters in this little, sequence story, it's really, really nice, and I quite like that. It felt a little bit laggy to play, and I felt there could have been a little bit more to the game, but overall, it was actually a really good experience. The whole story of it it was enticing. It was something you don't necessarily see so much in indie games, and I think a lot of the time a good story can really bring forward a good game. So a little bit of work on this one and it could actually turn into something really, really nice. Overall, really nice to look at, good fun to play. Just need to sort out the frame rate a little bit. And number 2, we have Sleigh Bells. And yes, I am fully aware we're as far away from Christmas as we can be. It's almost the middle of the year. But this was really good fun to play. It was something a bit different. Not every day you get to play a game with a crazy Santa that's trying to get you. It's mad. It was weird. But it was good fun to try and get away from him, to try and get through it. The design was really nice. There's been quite a few pixely kind of games lately, but this one really did stand out more than some of the others. I really like the design of it. It was really good fun to play. And honestly, if you guys get the chance, maybe when it comes around to Christmas in 6-7 months' time, you should probably pick this up from Itch.io and have a go yourself. It's jolly good fun. And number 1, we have Off the Balls. It's all about the balls. It's all about the balls. Of course we love balls. Very weird game, but very addictive. Very, very addictive. So I have a little confession to make here. After I finished the video, which was about 5 or 6 minutes long, I actually played it again, and I must have been sat there for at least an hour playing it, trying to get my high score. And you know what? I couldn't beat that high score of 8,700. I just couldn't beat it. I don't know how, don't know why. But this game is so addictive. It's simple. It really is simple, but it's so much fun to play. It is one of those you can see working so well on mobile devices. You look at things like Flappy Bird, the simplicity of that, and look how huge that was. The simplicity of this could be huge. It's so much fun to play, and it's so addictive. If you get a chance, you should play this, even if it's only for 5-10 minutes. So I'll leave the link to all 3 games below in the description for you to have a go if you want to, and I do have playthroughs on my channel. Feel free to check them out as well. And I will see you next month with some great indie Unity games.